Hi everybody. So we moved into our new house a little less than 2 weeks ago. Wow. That's weird. And we still don't have internet. So originally I was going to film videos in advance and pre-upload them and have them set to publish on the day I wanted them. Because I knew that usually it takes a while to get internet at a new house. But we were told that the internet people would be here on May 2nd, so I didn't worry about it. However, they didn't show up on the 2nd, and my mom had to spend over an hour on the phone talking to them. Somehow, they lost our order. So they made a new order and told my mom that they would be here on the 11th. Apparently not. Now they're supposed to come on the 15th. And I really hope they do. I guess we'll find out. This situation reminded me of people I've known. You know, the person who says they'll do something and then doesn't show up. I've known a few people like that. So it's become very important to me that if you say you're going to do something, actually do it. If you say you'll be somewhere, actually be there. It's not that hard, is it? This is why I will say that if you don't actually want to do something and aren't going to show up, maybe don't volunteer for it in the first place. It's called integrity. Do what you say you'll do. Be where you say you'll be. Have it, use it. Thanks for watching.